Hey, good afternoon. Woody here with GMR Roosts and Construction. You can see we got brand new plywood here. There was a bad roof system on here that blew off a couple years ago. So we tore off all the plywood, which is in the nice dumpster that was exposed for a while. Then the upper part, all the rafters blew off of, and we're over here at the Sarasota Sailing Squadron. So you can see this amazing, beautiful view that we get to see while we're up on this roof system. But it's still very hot. But we do more than just roofing. So our day today is that we're pretty much going ahead, we're redecking the bottom area, then we're taking off the pre-existing rafters that were installed with only a little H5 clip, and we're bird mounting them, and then we're going to strap them up over with an MTS strap that's going to come up and over the truss to hold them down better. So from there we'll drive this structure in. This is their storage building, one of the two. But we're blessed to be able to come in here, do our construction type, put in the rafters and the framing, get the bird mounts cut, put in the plywood. Then next week we'll go ahead, since we have a little bit of tight quarters, we'll come back a week and a half from now. We have another project that we got to be on, and we'll be dropping our metal panels, and then we'll be metal paneling this, and hopefully it'll last for many years for them to come with a solid sheathing and new rafters and straps. So all of your construction and needs, whether it's a repair or re-roof, an addition, some framing, whatever else, please let us know. And hey, if your views look like this, it's even better for us, so we enjoy it. But other than that, stay hydrated, stay safe out there in Florida, and let us know for all your construction and roofing needs. Thanks, and have a blessed day.